Okay, here we are in Robert H. Truman State Park. Oh my God, it might be Robert E. Truman. I'm not sure, but this is really cool. Yes, she said, good, I'm glad we're doing this. It's like the pyramids, but totally not. Here's a fireplace that has not been used for some time. But yeah, look at all this squareness. Okay, maybe not up there. But that's really cool. I like this. And are they taking photos? Okay, so they made that. And they made this wall, but yeah, what's going on here? Oh, I see. Straight up, oh, there's a tree. It will fall on me within a century. Oh, cool. You can see through. It's a defendable position. Oh yeah, you can see through that one. You gonna go in there? Oh wow. Really cool. It's gonna be one of my famous YouTube videos.
That would have been so cool. Oh my God, that'd be so cool. I would want to go down there.
If I happen to drop my phone down there, we'll have to go get it.
Drop it!
Or drop 80 out. That would be an interesting slide.
Oh yeah. You would just slide off and then that's probably easy.
I think the pool might be deeper. There's only one way to find out.
Are you implying I should die?
No, I don't want you to die. I want you to slide. Well, that's for, yeah, for another. Really cool. Oh, there's a bridge over there.
I wonder how much water would be in here if it had rained.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. It has been a super dry summer here in central New York, and this is really dark. What's that? Another picture of us on that bridge?
Okay. You're gonna have to stop filming.
I have to stop filming? Why? That's what I do. Oh, they laugh. They laugh. Okay. We'll get to the end of this bridge and we'll stop this video. But yeah, really cool. Wow. Oh, so we still have a little ways to go here. Yeah, I will. Yeah, 1 second. Oh, and there's steps and everything. Oh, that looks so cool. All right, I have to stop this video for a photo opportunity. Here is Adia and Cass breaking the law under subsection Penal Code, New York State 527A. It's medium.